At the end of the day, we want to make sure the objectives are thoroughly cleaned. It's best to do this with the objective covers removed. This video will demonstrate how to do this properly. You will need a beaker, a drip tray, lens tissue, Kim wipe tissue and deionized water in a wash bottle. First, place the cover over the piezo stage. Next, use the yellow Allen key to undo the one screw on top of the insulating cover. Do not physically remove the screw, we do not have spares and do not want to lose it. Just leave it in place and gently lift the cover upwards and store it to the side. Next, we use the green Allen key to undo the two screws securing the heating block. These screws are longer and will take more undoing. The heating block is held on by pins so will not fall once unscrewed. Once it is unscrewed, remove by pulling evenly towards yourself. Do not tip or you will drop the screws. Store it to the side. Carefully insert the drip tray, taking care not to touch the objectives. Wash across the two objectives and each one in turn. It is particularly important to try and get some water to wash behind, between the objectives and the rear heating block. This is where old L15 tends to fester. As always, take care to direct the water only into the drip tray, keeping well clear of any mirrors or electronics. After at least 30 seconds and 100 millilitres or more, carefully dab the large strips from the objective bodies using a Kim wipe tissue. Do not touch the optical surfaces. Take a small piece of lens tissue and wick the water from between the optical surfaces, getting any water from behind the objectives if possible. Take the heating block and engage with the pins by approaching straight on. Again, do not tip and lose the screws. It may take a bit of practice to get a feel for this. Tighten up the screws. Return the insulation cover and screw in. Carefully remove the drip tray, taking care not to touch the objectives. Undo the grub screws on the bath. These only need to be backed off 1/4 of a turn, do not remove them. Carefully lift out the bath and tip the media into a beaker. Rinse the bath with deionized water. If impatient, remove the lid of the water bottle and just drench into the beaker. Remove any drops of water with a Kim wipe tissue, taking care not to touch the glass cover slit. Only wick from the edges and the corners. Return the bath and tighten the grub screws. Leave the chamber in the escape position to aid evaporation. I hope that this video has been useful. Please email camdo@warwick.ac.uk if you have any questions or comments.